Just give it a little wipe. You don't really want any excess flux. We're going to heat that pipe up. And this is how to get it as neat as you possibly can. Because I'm looking at it, and the wall's sitting on the wall, tipping. So the back of it I can't see. Yeah? So as I go up, I get my solder. I'm going to heat up from the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the solder around the back, like that. I'm careful because I don't want to knock it. Yeah. You see the solder run around to the front? Yeah. Right, and then so now the front,
it's nice and tidy.
You can't seal that, do you see what I mean?
But the back is already up.